Let's go on to the next part, guys. Okay. And in that we'll basically understand the application of last digit. Okay, the concept of last digit जो हमने पहले apply किया हुआ है in some questions. Okay, if you remember this question, 8436 steel balls, each with a radius of 1.35 centimeters, are stacked in a pile with one ball on top, three balls in the second layer, six in the third, 10 in the fourth, and so on and so forth. Find the number of layers. Okay, यहाँ पे हमने क्या देखा था, guys? The triangular numbers का sum n plus 2 into n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 6. This is equal to 8436. Okay, we also saw that the radius is redundant. कोई जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन में, right? So we saw that n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, okay, will be 8436 into 6. Now guys, we know that the units place will be 6 into 6, 36, or basically 6 only, right? Okay, units place 6 into 6 का होगा, which is nothing but 6 only, right? So we put values of n from the option and check कहाँ 6 मिल रहा है. Okay, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, right? 36 into 37 into 38. We did this already. Okay, so 6 into 7 is 42, 2 into 8 is 6. So basically gives you 36 is the answer, right? One more question, guys. 1 into 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial plus 4 into 4 factorial up to 1001 into 1001 factorial. Okay, we have again seen this in the first module we solved factorials के time पे इसका shortcut भी देखा है हमने. इसका shortcut basically क्या होता है? Up to n into n factorial was n plus 1 factorial minus 1, जिससे कि हमें आंसर आया था ऑप्शन बी. वेरी इजीली, राइट? ओके, बट इसको सॉल्व करने का हमने गाइस एक और तरीका देखा था. सी आफ्टर 5 into 5 factorial it will be 5 into 120, जिसका यूनिट प्लेस 0 होगा. 6 into 6 factorial, again the unit place will be 0. so basically beyond 5 into 5 factorial इन सब का यूनिट प्लेस क्या होगा? 0 होगा, राइट? सो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? इन सब का यूनिट प्लेस चेक करेंगे. ओके, 1 into 1 factorial, the unit place is 1 into 1. 2 into 2 factorial, it's 4. Okay, 3 into 3 factorial is 6 into 3, 18. 4 into 4 factorial is 6. So 5, 8 is 13 plus 6 ending with a 9. Okay, only one option end with a 9, that is the B option. Okay, very simple, right?